Nice looking little place here. Feel almost like I'm in, like, I don't know, very weird. Definitely feels like Mexico here. Here we have this incredible beach. Everybody's just chilling out, having a good time, enjoying their drinks or whatever they're having. Good time. Delicious little meal and drinks there. Really awesome. The atmosphere is out of this world. Really nice. Now it's off to El Tunco, where we're hopefully going to maybe get a little bit of surfing in. Who knows? And that right there, you can see the road where it comes up, and it's just the most amazing, perfect, beautiful tarmac, sticky, and if you're a motorcycle rider, man, this is heaven. Absolutely beautiful. Can't complain about the riding here whatsoever. El Salvador, baby, love it. So what I love about this this highway is that it's on the right side coming down. It's completely covered with these little restaurants and seafood places where literally you can have the best seafood ever. Check out that beautiful hidden gem down here. That's what I'm talking about. Absolutely probably nobody there. It's so cool. That's what you don't get in countries like USA and this is what I love about this place. You have amazing places where you can get food right on the water. You don't get that in the States, really. You know, you have a few places here and there where you can actually feel like you're on the water. But what I love about countries like this is like they're just everywhere. My room right here. Got a double bed. I'll be on the bottom. I don't think anyone's gonna be on top. Guess I'm sharing the room with a couple others. 2 supermodels. No, doubt it. Hopefully they're not snores or really smell bad. But either way, it's all good. I'll survive. I've been in definitely way worse living situations. That is absolutely gorgeous. But you could probably buy a house here for pretty cheap. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien, ¿y tú? Todo muy lindo. Definitely feel like I'm in a very touristy place, unlike anything else in El Salvador. Welcome to El Tunco. Definitely lives up to the party vibe, reputation that has been given. There's some surfers out there. And that right there is El Tunco, which means the pig. Trying to look at it and figure out why it's the pig. Hola, ¿qué estás haciendo aquí? Ah, nieve de coco. pretty refreshing. Those guys have some soul, man. Love them. Must do selfie right there at some point. Note to self. Note to selfie. Be back there.